Hi everyone.
I'm Syafiqah.
Hi, I'm Raven.
So we are from Machines IIC Mall. So today we are going to share some of features that can be easily used while work from home. So what feature would you want to talk about, Raven?
So the first feature is we are going to share notes apps. So first, use notes on your iPhone or iPad. With notes, you can capture a quick thought, create checklists, sketch ideas, and much more. And with iCloud, you can keep your notes updated across all your devices. First, open the note apps. Tap the compose button. So just create a note, just like work from home. So I got a meeting at 9 AM. To add a photo or video, tap in the notes, then tap the camera button. You can also scan documents and add them to your notes and adjust the pointer, and you can get a nice document.
Group FaceTime makes it easy to chat with multiple people at the same time. You can start a group FaceTime from the FaceTime app or from a group conversation in the Messages app, and you can add up 32 people. The tile of the person speaking gets larger automatically. Start a group FaceTime call from the FaceTime app. First, open FaceTime and tap the Add button in the top right corner. Enter the name of your contacts, phone numbers or emails. To start your FaceTime call, take audio or video. So this one you can add up to 32 people to a group FaceTime call. If you have an iPhone 10 or later, you can use Animoji and Memoji in your group FaceTime calls. On devices without Face ID, you can use other camera effects like filter, text, and shapes in your group FaceTime calls. Do drop and pick up the new iPhone 12 with our awesome protection plan, which is Shift Protection Plan.
The Shift Protection Plan provides 2 years extended warranty, and it will cover all your accidental damage and liquid damages.
So, what are you guys waiting for? Just head to machines.com.my and place your order. Thank you, stay safe, bye!